National PSI Exam Prep, page 94. True or false? Number 41. The law requires brokers to accept all listings that have been offered to them, as all sellers deserve representation. False. It's the broker's choice. Number 42. An exclusive right to sell listing entitles the broker to a commission if the owner sells the property within the time period of the listing contract. True. Number 43. Under exclusive agency listing, if a buyer found a property on her own, the broker would still be entitled to be paid. False. In exclusive agency, brokers are not paid unless they or another broker find the property. Number 44. If a licensee acting solely as a seller's agent obeyed the seller's instructions to leave all discussions of property condition to the seller, a buyer could hold the agent liable for claims of misrepresentation. True. Number 45. A seller tells the broker that if the broker sells the property, the seller will pay them a commission. This is most likely an exclusive agency listing. False. It's an open listing. Number 46. The principal owes the fiduciary duties of old car to the agent. False. Agent owes to the principal. Number 47. An owner lists her home for $100,000 and the listing broker tells the prospective buyer to submit a low offer because the seller is desperate. The buyer offers $95,000 and the seller accepts. In this situation, the broker was unethical, but because no one was hurt, the broker's conduct is not improper. False. The broker violated the agency relationship by disclosing confidential information and was unethical. Number 48. A salesperson can advertise a listing property without identifying her employing broker. False. Broker's name must appear in the advertisement. Number 49. A doctor listed his home with a brokerage firm under an exclusive right to sell agreement. In this situation, if the doctor dies, the listing contract can be terminated. True. Number 50. A real estate broker is usually a special agent. True. That doesn't sound right, but that's what it says. Number 51. All of the salesperson's licensed activities must be carried out in the name of his broker. True. Number 52. You are a broker who has listed a home for a neighbor. That means that you are a dual agent of the seller. False. You are the agent of the seller. Number 53. A man who owned a single family house has had his unlicensed son-in-law to do the electrical work in preparing the home for sale. The man did not disclose this to the broker at the time of executing the listing or in the seller's property disclosure. After completion of the sale, the new owner suffered a financial loss because of the faulty electrical wiring done by the owner's son-in-law. The broker is innocent of any wrongful act. True. Brokers are not responsible for latent material facts. Number 54. The responsibilities of a broker in an agency relationship include accepting an offer for the seller. False. Offers may be accepted or rejected by the seller. Number 55. The listing broker owes fiduciary duty to the buyer. False. Seller. Number 56. A broker lists an accountant's property. The broker may bind the seller to a purchase contract. False. As special agent, broker may not bind the seller.